Poe. 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 Who is Poe? Let's find out who Poe is. Braxton, what is P.O.E? Who is P.O.E? Can you explain P.O.E? Well, the first part of P.O.E would be planning, and planning is so important when it comes down to P.O.E because it'll save you time in your editing process. It'll save you time on set. P.O.E will save you time in general. So first letter of P.O.E is to plan. So if you hadn't been planning out your content to start off with, I'd encourage you to start there. If you're going on a photo session, if you're going to create a video, whatever you're going to create, make sure you plan first because it'll save you time, and then your ideas will be much more clear on how and what you want to create. Now, I'm sure you've planned your content and you got a great plan together. Well, what do you do after you put that plan together? You begin to organize that plan. You determine when and where you want to create it, the best time of day. And once you've organized those thoughts, then in your mind that planning structure and that organizing structure then becomes a visual. So now you can see what you want to do or how you want to do whatever it is that you're trying to make. But that's P.O.E with no E. We gotta add the E to that P.O.E. Okay, so well, now you've kind of got your P.O.E together. You've planned it, you organized it, and so now it's just simply executing it. Take that plan that you wrote down, take that organization that you put together, and then start executing it. Take your camera, take your paintbrush, take your drumsticks, and go out and create that new thing. If with P.O.E you can literally create anything. Plan, organize, and execute. Put that knowledge in your pocket. Go make something new, and whatever it is, make sure it's high quality.